Hello and welcome back to our class. In this video, I want to teach us on how to set time frame for our video. Let's assume that we have our photo here, the one we did last. Okay, this is our video. For every photo you uploaded on InShot, InShot will be setting 5 seconds for us to display the video. It will be setting 5 seconds for us to display the photo. Oh, let me go back. Let me just go back. Let me go and start again, new. Then let me go and pick a photo. Let me just pick this photo. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, for every photo picked, the InShot will be giving us 5 seconds for it. 5 seconds for it. Can you see it? For every photo picked, InShot will be giving us 5 seconds for every second picked. Then after that, if you want to change the duration for the 5 seconds, I'm selecting 3 seconds. I'm selecting 3 pictures. So if you display 3 pictures, it will be giving us 25 seconds. So I want to limit it maybe 10 seconds or something like that. Then you now go back. If you pick this one, you now go back to duration. Then you come back, you now reduce the duration. That's why I want to reduce it to 1.5 seconds. Yes, the thing has reduced to 1.5 seconds. Then if you want to reduce the second one, you reduce this one to 1.5 also. Okay, if I want to apply it to all other images, that if you want to apply it to these images, you just click the single mark. Then if you want to apply it to all other images, then you now click the double mark. It will be that you want to apply the duration to every other image, you click yes. Then the duration has applied to every other image. Can you see it? Then let's go and check it. Can you see? It is 1.5 seconds. So what you want to learn also is how to add music to a sound to our images. If you want to do that, you now go back to you go to your plus button. If you want to add another photo to it, then you click video or photo. If you want to add video or photo to it, then you click it. Then if you want to add a blank something to it, you will click it. Then if you want to add music to your images, you now come back, you click on music. You click on the music, then you add music to your images. You add the music to your images, then click on this. If you want to extract from a video, let's assume you have a video and you want to extract the music from it, you now come to this video. Let me just check one of the video that I can use. Let's assume I want to extract this one. Then I will now extract. Let me just give it a 5 seconds. Okay, let me just use everything. So this is our music. Then then after here, you mark it. Then go back to your music, click on this. Then you can split it, delete the second aspect. Okay, can you see that? Then if you want your music to fade out, let me just go back. You come to this edit and you add your fade out to it. Okay, let's hear the first again. Can you see that? So we'll be stopping here and we'll continue in our next class.